Hi guys, welcome back to 234 in La Casa. So today we're gonna do a simple side, and the simple side for today is carrots. If you enjoy carrots, then this video is for you. It's gonna be a glazed carrot recipe that has a unique twist to it that I think everyone is gonna enjoy, and it will kind of turn your glazed carrots on their head and make them really, really exquisitely delicious. So if you are a carrot lover and love glazed carrots, then this cooking tutorial is for you. So I'll bring you all over and show you the ingredients, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you over here in just a second. All right, guys, so we're gonna start with some carrots. Mine are bagged. I'm gonna take these over to the sink and rinse these off. You can start with whole carrots, and go ahead and clean those and cut them into the shapes that you enjoy, or you can get some baby carrots that are already in that rounded type shape, but I'm just gonna use some carrot sticks. So I'll meet y'all over here after I get these rinsed and cleaned off. Okay guys, so now I've got these carrots rinsed off, and you can cut your carrots down some if they're a little bit too long. So I'm gonna go through and cut some of these in half just so they are a little bit more manageable when serving and when eating. So you can do that. And then to this pot, we're going to submerge these carrots in Sprite. So we're gonna be using a can of Sprite. You can use a can of 7-Up, or you can use any lemon lime seltzer water that you want to use, anything that's lemon lime, okay? So you're gonna pour your can of Sprite in here and make sure that, that it submerges your carrots, okay? And so it may take 2 cans of Sprite, all right? Right, now that we have the carrots submerged, we're gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of salted butter, right? And then next, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Now, we're just going to turn our carrots on and cook them until they're tender. After they're tender, we're going to remove the carrots from the liquid and create a glaze for our carrots. Okay guys, so the carrots are ready. I'm gonna turn them off for right now. You're gonna take your lid off. And I forgot to mention to you all too, that when you make your carrots, make sure you have the lid on your saucepan that you use for the carrots, okay? Go ahead and take this lid off. And you're gonna need a bowl, and we're going to take the carrots out of the Sprite and sugar solution, or I shouldn't say solution, I'm sorry. The Sprite and butter and sugar sauce, okay? Okay, so we've got that removed. So now we're gonna turn our eye up to high. What we're gonna do is actually is cook this carrot glaze sauce. We're gonna cook that down and get it thicker, increase the heat on the stove. And I may add just a little bit of roux to this. I may not. It just depends on how it goes. So we'll just see what happens. I just wanted to show you all it's starting to bubble. So just let it sit here. I've got mine on high, and it's gonna increase, okay? And as this is bubbling, you'll see the vapor, the steam coming off of the glaze. And so of course we know that the steam, that's cooking the water off, and it's going to reduce our liquid down just like how we want it to be and get it thicker, okay? Okay guys, so this is reducing on down. I just wanted to show you some of the progress here. And so you're gonna want to continue stirring this periodically, okay, as it continues to boil. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of roux to this. So I'm just gonna drop that in there. And I'm gonna get you're gonna want to whisk that in, okay? All right, and so I'm whisking that roux in. I just wanted to show you all what it's looking like. And we're gonna continue to cook this on high, reducing this on down, okay? Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like. It's reduced down. I added the roux. It's gotten just a little bit thicker. So at this point, we're gonna go ahead and add our carrots back to the carrot glaze sauce, okay? I'm gonna whisk this just a little bit more. and then get these carrots added back. Now I'm going to continue cooking these just to bring the carrots back up to temperature, okay? All right, so I've brought these back up to temperature. I'm going to turn these off, and I'll go ahead and get them plated up for you all and do a taste test. But as you can see, the glaze on this has gotten nice and thick. Now, if you want it thicker, of course you would. You see that? That's like a syrup. But if you want it thicker, then you would continue cooking your glaze and maybe add a little bit more roux to it. But this is the perfect consistency of what I'm looking for. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this plated up and do a taste test for you guys. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and taste these glazed carrots. I went ahead and put some parsley on mine. You can do that if you'd like to when you serve, or while the carrots are still, you know, cooking towards the end when you have your syrup the way that you want it and everything, then you can add some parsley to it. But it's really, really good. I love it. Excellent. This is a great side. If you I mean, if you're a carrot lover, and to tell you the truth, this is the only way that I'll eat my carrots, is if they're cooked like this, in like a lemon lime soda water, sparkling water, or carbonated water, or lemon limes, like Sprite or 7-Up. It is so good. You'll never want them any other way, I'm telling you. It's excellent. Okay? All right, guys. Well, I'll see you all back here for another episode of 234 in La Casa. You all have a fabulous day, fabulous week. Sending you much love. See you later.